Hello foodies! Welcome back to Love for Food and Travel. We are very happy to see your support and heartwarming comments on all our Ramzan vlogs. This is motivating us to make more such videos. We would be uploading more Ramadan vlogs in the coming week. So please continue to show all your love and share with your loved ones. If you like our videos, click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Today's video is going to be a food-filled vlog. We had visited Lulu Food Court some time back and tried out the specialities from almost all the food outlets. We have been wanting to cover Lulu Food Court for long, but we were waiting for the right time to post it. I thought this festival time would be the apt time to do it. I know most of you would have visited it. So, if you have any feedback, please do comment. Now, let's get started. At Lulu Food Court, our favorite spot is Al Baik, and we always order their famous broasted infused chicken. We ordered spicy broasted chicken, grilled wings and fried shrimp. In fact, Al Baik has opened another restaurant at Toli Chowki and we will be covering that very soon. We paid Rs 1073 and within 10 minutes we got a hot and crispy chicken. And then we moved to the next outlet. Our younger son simply loves pizzas. So any food court we go, he runs and orders a pizza. At Lulu, there is an outlet of Go Pizza. It is a South Korean pizza brand which serves single-person fire-baked pizzas. Do you know that Go Pizza started as a small food truck in a night market in Korea? Now they have grown explosively with over 50 outlets in India and 200 outlets globally. Other than normal pizzas, they have specialty Korean pizzas and case starters and sides. We ordered Korean creamy chicken mushroom pizza for Rs 546 and waited. Then from Club Sulaimani, we picked up mango passion bubble tea for Rs 231. Next, at Amritsari Express, we ordered a kulcha combo for Rs 280. Though it is a veg outlet, we really loved their kulcha and churchur naan combo. This is a must try. If you haven't tried it, next time do have it when you come to Lulu Food Court. Since we ordered veg from Amritsari Express, we want to balance it out by ordering chicken platter from Khan Saab Express. The platter contained 3 big pieces of chicken tikka and 3 big pieces of malai tikka. It was priced at Rs 341. We ordered red velvet roasted almonds from Bubble Bay for Rs 231. This stall specializes in rolled ice cream and sandwiches too. We had only ordered their bobas. If you have tried other items, please do comment. Once all the items were ready, we started tasting them one by one. First we tried shrimp fries and roasted chicken from Al Baik. Both were crunchy and tasted really good. We also tried their grilled chicken. Though it was okay, I would rather prefer roasted chicken varieties from Al Baik. Then we tried the pizza from Go Pizza. In fact, we had to wait for some time to collect our pizza as it took time to prepare. The pizza had a generous amount of ketchup on top of it. Also, the pizza was cut in a weird way, which made it difficult to eat. Nevertheless, this Korean pizza was okay. Next, we had kulcha and chole combo from Amritsari Kulcha. This being our favorite, we really loved it. Then, we also tried the chicken platter from Khan Saab Express. Both these kebabs were really delicious and we don't mind having it all day long. If you don't believe us, do check out our Ramadan vlog. Still, there were few more outlets we wanted to try. So we decided to take away and have it in our home. we ordered a regular chicken pizza from Pizza Ricotta as we did not enjoy the Korean pizza much. This was priced at rupees 546. The way the pizza was packed with ketchup and seasoning is something commendable. Please see for yourself. We also took a bucket chicken from Chick King for rupees 649. These days, both Ulbeck and Chick King are becoming tough competitors for KFC as more and more people have started enjoying fried chicken from these two brands. Finally, we also took couple of rolls from Rolls King for rupees 535. We packed a classic chicken roll and Bona chicken roll to be had at our home. I need to tell you that these rolls are awesome. Even when having at home, their insulation wrap was so helpful in retaining the warmness. Friends, this was our video on Lulu Food Court where we tried out many dishes from almost all the food outlets. We think that buying one item from each outlet does not cost much, but in reality, if you add up all of them, it sometimes becomes more expensive than a fine dining restaurant. If you have visited Lulu Food Court and have tried out the food outlets, do let us know your experience in the comments below. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until we meet again in another interesting video, be happy and stay healthy.